Ensiri bwe buuka obuleeta omusujja era nga guyitibwa omusujja gw'ensiri, nga zitera okubeera mu bifo nga ebibira, obusakasaka ssaako n'amazzi agewagamira mu buwonko. Nazzikuno omusujja gw'ensiri gwalinga tegutta naye kati gutta n'okutta, era nga kati omusujja gw'ensiri gususse era nga guli mu bitundu nga Namatumba, Acholi, Jinja, Lukka ssaako n'ebitundu ebirala. Nga gavumenti eyambyeko n'obuwumbi 10 balabe nga abantu basula mu butimba bw'ensiri. Era ng'agamba bw'ati.
To 1.2 billion Uganda shillings to 55 districts to support surveillance, case management, health promotion and community sensitization, and support supervision among others. We have integrated the malaria epidemic response in the existing COVID-19 coordination and management structures. That will be easier because the people who are coordinating COVID surveillance are also doing the malaria surveillance. In collaboration with the Emergency Operations Center, we have put in place a system for community surveillance and to confirm and track community deaths. Then the indoor residue spraying was conducted in 10 districts in the Bukedi region, including Namutumba, Kalisa and Tororo. We are yet to realize the desired drop in malaria cases in most of these districts.
Dr. Ruth ayongedde n'atunnyonnyola nti mu myezi 8 annyonnyodde ebitundu ebisinze okukosebwa omusujja gw'ensiri nga 80 ku 100 balwadde ba musujja gwa nsiri, ebitundu 60 ku 100 bonna balwadde ba musujja, 7 ku 100 be balwadde ba anemia era nga naye yeekuusa ku musujja guno.
Friends, I think you read stories about people dying in Namutumba, which was really not true. So the Ministry of Health noted with concern a media report stating that 100 children had died of malaria in Magada sub-county in Namutumba district in a period of 1 month. The ministry wishes to assure the public that the malaria situation in Namutumba is under control, despite the increased cases. The ministry would like to categorically state that in the past 1 month, Magada sub-county recorded 189 positive malaria cases and no deaths. No one died. The total number of positive cases reported in the entire district in the past 1 month is 1,778 people, but there were no deaths. In the past 1 week, the country has reported a total of 28 malaria deaths in 1 week from health facilities in Arua, Kagadi, and Mbale districts.
Ayongedde n'atunnyonnyola nti ebitundu ebisinze okukosebwa mulimu Busoga, Tololo, Bukedia, Acholi era ng'agambye ennamba esusse obungi nga obutundutundu 28 ku 100 be baakafa era nga akubiriza abantu okusula mu butimba bw'ensiri era nga akubiriza n'abafuuyira bongeremu amaanyi basobole okubeera nga obulwadde buno babulinnya ku nfeete.
But I already read them and I already gave you the number of regions or sub-regions that are worse affected, especially in Bukedi, Ankole, Toro, Busoga, and Acholi sub-region. Those are the most affected areas. Then I also, Emmanuel from Bukede said, how do I rate malaria? I can only use one word, it's tight. It's quite tight to hear all these deaths. They are not really scaring, but 28 is quite high a number. And remember, we can prevent this if we all slept in a mosquito net, and also we can prevent deaths by reporting early to the health centers. Because malaria treatment is everywhere. We can treat malaria.
Ayongedde n'agamba nti abantu abalwanyisa COVID bayambako era ne mu kulwanyisa omusujja era nga obutimba lukaaga bwe bugabiddwa okutangira omusujja gw'ensiri era nga akubiriza amasomero, amalwaliro okukwata bulungi ebiragiro. Ayongedde n'akubiriza amalwaliro g'okumpi bakubirize abantu n'okubasomesa okusula mu butimba era nga n'abalala ababukozesa nga obusengejja, abalala babukozesa nga okukalizaako ebintu byabwe ebiba bivudde mu nnimiro babeere nga babukozesa bulungi.
To the nearest village health teams or also the nearest health center. Ensure that all people in your home sleep under a treated mosquito net every night. Report any strange disease or death in the community. Communities should also pass bylaws to arrest and caution all those misusing mosquito nets. And as I told you earlier, many mosquito nets were supplied. Some people use it for drying their crops. Others use them as sieves. Others use them for many other reasons in their hotels and elsewhere.
Christine Nabaseruka, MRU TV.
I thank you for listening to me and may God bless you.